Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about m equals to this one and n equals to this one. So we have the x, that means we need to do first the derivative of m with respect to y. So we just have only this one. First the derivative of y, so we have number 1. So that is about 2x. We don't have y, so you got number 0. So we have dy, that means we need to do first the derivative of n with respect to x. So this one we have s squared, and that is about 2x. So this one we don't have s, so you got number 0. And this is about exact because this one and this one they are same by 2x. Now we need to set up about the function fxy equals to the integration. So I select about this one plus 3xy, the integration of 2x, that is about x squared. The integration of negative sine x, that is about positive cosine x. Now we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. So this one we have number 1. This one you got number 0. So this one equals to this one. And now we need to simplify x squared for the both sides. So we just have like this. So we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, that is about negative sine y, and I will put about c. Now we return back to this one. The integration of this one, we have 3xy. 3xy equals to negative sine y. And this one equals to fxy. fxy equals to c. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.